female dog is in heat, so all these other dogs are coming around. The female dog is the white dog. The brown dog is protecting her from the other dogs. The dog in the middle is a stranger. He don't live here. The escort. The one to the far left does not live here. These two over here don't live here. The ones that's further to the end, they don't live here. That dog is trying to escort them out. They're all trying to breed this dog right here. They came back again, so they're very determined. The dogs on the far end, they're strangers. The dark brown one that's following him lives here, and this one lives here. This is our dog. This is the dog that live in the front. These two are strange dogs, but I don't know how they got in here. There must be some entrance that they're crawling through. I don't know how they got in here because everywhere is locked. But they're very determined and they smell that female. This one that's coming back, he's very determined. He's like the head man. He wants that. Look, you see he blocking him? He's blocking him. But these two, they're around her all the time and they don't want to sleep with her. These guys, they're not playing. They came here for an agenda. But you can see that the bigger dog is backing him down. He's getting nervous. He's getting nervous about the situation. Look in his face, look. He's a little nervous about it now. He's thinking, you know what? This guy's more dominant than me. I might have to get out of here. Look, see? Look, he's out. You seen it in his face. And then his boy right here, I don't know, his boy is a fool. His boy just coming along for the ride, but he about to be out of here soon. This dude about to run him out of here. See? See, then he gonna act like nothing's going on and just quietly creep off. See? Just like human beings. They're the same thing. So this is the dominant male right here. But the thing is he don't want to sleep with her. He'll protect her. But then he'll just go about his business. See, he's making sure they're gone. He's making sure they are gone. Let's see, he hears the noise. I hear the noise too. I wonder if one of them trying to come back in the picture. Trying to sneak. He did his job. Let's see what happens. Okay. They're going. I don't see nobody coming. I don't see nobody. She's safe. She went to go hide behind the thing, I guess. It's whoever wins gets to take it down. Oh, look, this dude came back. Oh my God, this dude ain't gonna lie. This is the dominant one. Came back. He ain't listening. You might have to snarl him up, man. You might have to bite him up a little because you don't want to listen. You're not taking no for an answer, man. You're gonna have to wrestle him down, bite him up. Because he's a little scared, but he wants it. He wants it bad. But he's scared. So just bite him up a little and let him get out of here. You gonna give up? Coming closer. This guy's relentless right here. Oh, see? down like that. You have to go down. See, now they're all sniffing her. It had to be a war. Also, now they all realizing, you know what? Since all these dudes is trying to smash, I might as well smash too. Look, now they're trying their best. My flash died out, but now they're all surrounding it. I'm trying to figure out which one of them wins. What's funny is the guy that could have been did it. He only was trying to do it because now he sees these dudes ain't leaving, so he's gonna try. Let's get a little closer. My flash is dead. There she go right there. So the two main dogs are still. He won the. See, he has to continue to fight this dude because he really won. But he could have been. Oh, now the other dude is trying. You see, but she's not receptive to anybody. So that's the strange part. She don't want this guy because he's a sucker. He's a beta male. He's a sucker. Look at him. He just trying to slip his thing in, and he didn't fight for nothing. So this guy Trey got into a fight. My dog right here that's looking, he got into a fight and he didn't know how to hold nothing down. He definitely not getting nothing. It's between the two brown dogs. The one right there dripping, his mouth is dripping. That's the dog that live here. He's the one that was fighting off the other two in the beginning. He's the one that should get it, but he should have been got it because he live here. He just mad because other dudes is coming through. And he figured, yo, I could have been smashed this, but these dudes coming to mess it up for me. Look at this dude right here. He don't even live here. These dudes, y'all gonna make these dudes come in here, don't live here, and take your thing down, and y'all been chilling with her all her life? That's the dog we call Refugee. When my mother got rid of her other dog, this dog took the place of it. They all fought out, so, you know, I think they're gonna have to live to see another day, because this dog on the top is not letting her go, and he don't really want to smash. I think he's gay. I think him and Trey have a relationship. Real talk. There's not nothing to be funny in the video, but these two dogs been known to do some weird things, some gay activities. So maybe he's a little bisexual or something madness, because these animals, they have certain tendencies too. But everything is calm right now. This dude is running. We'll see what happens next. This dude too, he look like he's out of here. They don't live here, so they look like they're about to go make a flex. They're about to go make a flex. You know what? We'll come back tomorrow. We'll see what she does now. Now that everybody's gone, these are the three dogs. Let's see what she do. Oh, she's looking for it. See that? She's looking for the trouble. Okay, well, if you breed, bitch. If you breed, bitch, it's on you. Because you ran over there to them. Somebody gonna breed it. Look at that. That's the dog that live here. He's trying to get in. Look like he's in there. He don't know how to hump though. They're still wrestling and fighting over it. And then you got this dog on the roof now. He about to get in there. Wow. This is crazy. Yo, click on that link, man, and watch this video. Let's see how much footage I can get out of this. She want the sex because she's in heat. Animals are just like humans. You see when a bitch is in heat and she wanna fuck, don't let her tell you that she don't wanna, like she's not about that life. They're just like animals. Women want it just as much as men do. They just want the strongest man to get it, that's all. And see her, she's pick of the litter right now. This guy, he's dominant. Oh, she don't want you. She want, oh, who she want? Who she want? Let me see who she want. Let me get a little closer and see who she want. I think she want the dude, the dude that's not from here, the strongest dude that's not from here. Cause she keep running over there to him. Understand? I can't do more than 15 minutes of this. But it seemed like she want the dude that's not. She keep fighting this guy off and he protected her. You see that? You see that? He was protecting her. Got his ass whooped a little. Got bitten up a little. He bit up. He held his own too. But she don't want him. Let's see what they doing over there. Get a little closer. Okay, well, nobody has gotten to it. Nobody has gotten to it. Nobody has gotten to it. They're all trying to figure out. It's just a matter of who wins these fights is who's going to get it. Who win the fight is who's going to get it. But then again, I think she want that stranger dog that's not from here. So we'll see how that go. Now she's on the position. She's in the position where she's inviting one of the strange dogs. Because usually if she was hiding, she'll go back to the corner in the back and just sit there. But now she's seeing that a dominance was expressed and she was in the middle of it. She's ready to breed. I think she already made her decision. It's just the other guy's got to fall back. Or the one that she picked has to show his dominance further, which he has. And since she's familiar with those two, I don't even know if she want to. It's probably not her type. You know, they don't like those. These two dogs that have been with her is just two beta males. You know, so she want that ruffian dog to breed her and leave her. Want him to breed and just leave. And leave these dudes to take care of it. But I don't know where they went. But we'll see how this goes. Look, let's see where she goes. She's running back to the action. This dude, he's trying to rape it. He's trying to rape it. He's trying to rape it. And then another dude is trying to rape. They're all trying to run a train on it. But this dude is too soft. And he's soft. It's between the two in the back. Animals are crazy. Look, he's going to try to get his little sniffing. My dog is right here, being a little punk. Look at him. Look. No, these dudes is trying to... Oh, they actually letting this dude get in. See, he can't get in. It's out of these two. Look. It's out of these two. These two right here that's looking at me in the face, they're the ones. Look like this is going to be an all-night thing. He's trying to jump up there. He was trying to get in real quick. Sometimes in life, this is how it goes down. A bunch of dudes sniffing around, and somebody is just get it. That's how it be. Okay. No, she playing that. I don't get down like that. Not on the first night. That's what she's saying to herself. I'm not that type of girl. I'm not that type of girl. Okay, we'll see. Look, my mother sees what's going on. I don't know if she's going. Nah, look, they came back to the crime scene. See, now it's these two. Oh, she's going on. She don't want you, man. Are you trying to fight him? Let's let him. She don't want you, man. You blocking. You blocking for something that don't want you. She want this dude. Like, what did I tell you, man? See, but he's scared, but he's so determined. Look, he's scared. He's scared. But he gonna go get him. Get her. This is crazy. Look where this bitch ass nigga is at. Bitch made. Straight beta. You beta. You beta, look. And she's down there by herself. Look. Get out of here, man. It's over. Go home. Trey. You. Where y'all going? Oh my God. She's looking for it. Look. Yeah, go ahead. Go. I'm done. I'm out. From my bucket. Look like you had a long night, huh? Everybody fighting over you. You know why I lost respect for you, dog? Because this guy right here let you in his house. He let you eat food every day. He was a refugee dog. He let you in. We took you in. But you want to sleep with the outside dog instead of one of these two. And they was protecting you. Is this typical female nature? I need somebody to explain it to me. Is it, or is just one incident?